For Tuesday, April 21st, we are working on phonics page 195 and 196. Please take out a pencil and your phonics worksheets. We're going to start at the top of page 195, and here they just want us to mark the vowels. So we know that when I have two vowels, the first vowel gets the line because it'll say its name, and that second vowel is silent. So let's look at this next word. The O says its name, the A is silent. The word is foam. Here I have the I says his name and the E is silent. In this word, I have only one vowel. It's an E. It's going to get the short sound. It's neck. And there's that CK at the end. When I have a CK at the end, I know I always have a short vowel sound before it. This word has one vowel. It gets a short sound. It is jog. One vowel, short sound, cob. Here I have the E followed by the A. The A is silent. The E says its name, heat. O followed by the A. O says its name, toad. Here two E's together. The first E says its name, peak. And then finally, A says its name, E is silent, sail. Okay, for number 2, it says fill in the dot under the letter that completes the word. It looks like all of these are vowels. They are. So we're going to be filling in the vowel sound. All right, so here there's only one vowel because it's got a P behind it, no other vowels. So it's going to be a short vowel sound. So is it st, ap, or is it step? Step makes more sense. Okay. Down here, I have an E at the end, so I know I'm going to get a long vowel sound because I'm going to have two vowels together. So this first vowel, whichever one I pick, will say its name. So is it tree or tro? Well, tro is nonsense, so I need to pick the E. Here, again, I have that E at the end. That's a magic E. It's going to make whatever vowel I choose say its name. So, fr, aim, or fr, eam. Frame is the word. Choose the A, like a picture frame. Okay, down here, again, there's that magic E that's going to make whatever vowel I pick say its name. So, dr, ave, or dr, I. Drive makes more sense. I will pick the I. Oh, magic E again, gonna make the vowel says its name. Break or broke? Broke makes sense. Okay, oh, magic E again. We have a lot of magic E's today. My line got stopped there. So, whatever vowel I fill in here is going to say its name. Is it safe or scythe? Let's go with safe. Safe is the safe choice. All right, for number 3, it says match the pictures that have the same special sound. It's not a special sound. Sorry, it's a blend, okay? Because it's two consonants together. Or it's a digraph, because I see chin and CH is a digraph, and so is TH. So this first one is thumb. Thumb is a digraph. The T and the H make one sound. That's th or th. So which word down here also has a TH sound? Church, 30, bridge, or ship? Well, it is 30. They both have that TH sound. Here we have a shoe, another digraph. Okay, the S and the H form one sound, and that's what a digraph is. Shh, shh. So what do I get it in? Church, bridge, or ship? Ship also has that SH sound. Here I have the CH. Another digraph. The C and the H say ch, ch. And church is our keyword, so we know that goes with it. And then finally we do have a blend. We have BR in bread. Okay, bruh, and we only have bridge left. So those are sounds. Flip your page over and let's look at page 196. Here it says, read each sentence and then do what it says. All right. The sentence says, this is a truck. Okay, I see that. The next one says, make tires on the truck. So I got to give this truck some tires. Next it says, make a hat on the man. Let's give this guy, who's got an exceptionally flat head, a hat. There you go, buddy. Now you have a hat. Make the truck red. Oh, goodness, I'm going to have to switch to a red, right? And I'm going to make it nice and fat. Okay, so the truck's going to be red. And again, yours will probably get colored way better than mine, and it will take you less time to color than me. But you get the idea, right? We're making the truck red. Isn't this awesome? Technology at its finest. When I was a kid, they had something called Picture Page, and it was a lot like this. It just wasn't quite as advanced. It probably took them 6 hours to record the video instead of 6 minutes, too. But, so, I'm making the truck red. Didn't I do a great job coloring this? I know you're shaking your heads at home saying, Mrs. Plowman, you sure do know how to color with a mouse. Alright, so the next one says, make the tires black. Oh dear, I've got to get black. I can't have. So I'm going to make these tires black. There we go. I'm going to get them fancy. What do you think about that? Pretty good, huh? Okay, let me get another tire black here. Okay, so I've done A, I've done B, ooh, I've done C, I've done D. E says, make the dirt in the truck brown. Well, I don't know if I have a brown. I don't have a brown. Mine, the closest I've got to brown is this kind of color, so this is going to have to be my brown. Okay, so now I've done E, and F says, make the man's hat and shirt blue. So the last thing I have to do is color his hat and shirt blue. So this dude's got on a nice blue cap now and a beautiful blue shirt. Okay? And that's all you have to do on this page. You don't have to do anything with the bird because it didn't say to do anything with the bird. And our instructions say, do what it says. Ooh, that's tough stuff.